Human-driven job interviews are an integral part of the hiring process. They provide the unique opportunity for recruiters to go beyond the resume. However, human-driven job interviews are hard to scale and subjective. Welcome to Digimax's AI Job Interviewer chatbots. Digimax's AI Job Interviewer engages applicants through a personalized text-based chat session to dynamically infer their unique characteristics. Recruiters use these character insights along with other job-relevant information to better assess candidate fitness. Our interview chatbots are super easy to design and deploy. No coding or technical expertise is required. Fill your chatbot template with interview questions to facilitate text-based character assessment. Deploy your bot for automated 24/7 candidate interviewing at scale. The chatbot actively listens and acknowledges each response in a personalized manner to facilitate conversational flow. Automate job FAQs to alleviate administrative burden and to improve user experience. Our chatbot dynamically analyzes candidates' text responses to infer character. With the additional character insight provided by Digimax's AI Job Interviewer, our recruiter selects a suitable candidate. Chalk up another user success story for Digimax's AI Job Interviewer.